Okay, welcome once more. Today we're going to talk about how to create database. Okay, we're going to talk about how to create database. To create database, make sure that you are logged in to your cPanel. We're going to use Namecheap to create this database. Okay, now we need to log into our cPanel to have the tools that we need to create this database. Okay, once you're logged in, you have this. You should be here. This is the home page when you log in. Now click on this hosting list. Once you click on the hosting list, it opens up this interface. Now you go to cPanel. Click on this button here that says go to cPanel. Once you click on the button, then it loads up for you to see so many things you can actually do on your cPanel. These are different tools to use to make your website fantastic. Now we're going to go to this search bar and type in MySQL Wizard. Okay, it is up here. Click on it. Once you click on it, it opens up this interface. Now you have to name your database, create a database. So now we're going to add a new database. Let's call this lesson. Okay. Now you click on next step. Once you click on next step, here your database username, let's call it lesson user. Now password, you can actually call it lesson pass123. Now repeat it again, lesson pass123. Now, okay, I need to pass this password strength, whatever. So let's add a symbol like at. Okay, now come down here, add a symbol again, at. Now the strength is 94 of 100, so we're good to go. All right, to create this database, all I have to do is now create this. Click on this create user. Okay, we've created a database, now we're creating a user. Remember, one thing again to do is, with this place where you see all privileges, all you have to do is just click on it. You need to give the whole permissions needed to function well. Now once you've clicked on that, you've checked that all privileges, you come down here, you can either make changes or you go to next step. So we don't want to make any changes, we want to go to the next step, so I'll click on next step. And one thing, the password we created, we ought to have copied it out and kept it somewhere safe. Okay, because we'll be needing it when we want to link our database up. All right, now this is how to create a database. You have successfully created your database, and this brings us to the end of this class.